Didn't you do this before?
Hey bitch, me pick up your phone, I know you see. I ain't tryna crab, but I know bitch, but this one right here got me to see. We spinning back, go 10 for 10. All these funny heads, you be whack. Fuck from the back, make a bitch look bad. God, I need these cash. God, this shit got bad. Why the fuck do you need a man? Young nigga, this that man. God, how you to feel something. Nah, baby, I'm tryna forget your name. I'm tryna power up like a rain. I hear these rats, I don't need no raise. I've been on my worst goddamn behavior, but I still hold that little bitch stay. I hope that little bitch give me brain. Yeah, she talk tryna pick my brain. And I chat late night in that bitch all day. Tryna get home and fade away. I really want to see better days. No little bitch don't got time to play. I hope your ass just look at me the same. I hope my chain don't never change. I hope these bitches forget my face. When fuck you talking about, you ain't did me no favor. Front on the block like Derek Favor. I can't find real like this shit ain't fuck. I get high, you in my breath. Why you tryna fuck me out these drugs? I don't get no fuck, we could do soon. She like the way I talk, soon. I'm in the shot, I wanna go home. I don't want these hoes, you the one I want. That bitch gonna tell me talking about she drunk. I don't get no fuck, just leave me alone. I'm on these rats, I'm tryna go up. I heard that shit just make me strong. I know that little bitch just so drunk. Tell my son and she be drunk. Can't pop no perk when girl no more. I'm getting high to kill bad mood. I'm getting high to hide my lows. I swear to God, that's the fuck on on. Bitch had me smiling, I can't lie. I really miss that shit like Trump. I think about you like what you doing. That's hard as fuck, don't move on. I ain't even tryna leave your ass alone. I hate when I call, get dialed tone.